if you're in the market for one of these electric scooters, chances are you've seen the electric dirt bikes. And now I'll be able to tell you everything you need to know about both these and which one is right for you. What's going on, guys? We're back, and today we got my Talaria next to the InMotion RS. So both of these machines are around the same price, but you're looking at a few different specs. In terms of portability, we'll give some points to the scooter, as you can fold this and then slip it into most SUVs or pickup trucks. The Talaria, on the other hand, it is a little hard to transport. You will need a trailer, pickup truck. An SUV just won't cut it for something like this. So in terms of speed, I will have to give some more points to the scooter. The scooter will max at around 100 kilometers an hour, where this maxes at around 75 kilometers an hour. In terms of comfort, I'm gonna have to give it to the Talaria. Obviously, you have a seat, you have somewhere to put your feet, and it just feels a little better riding. One thing you will notice about the scooter and the Talaria is they have the exact same headlight. So I noticed that right away, and it's one of the reasons I wanted to do this comparison, because they do have the same headlight. At nighttime, you will have the exact same visibility. So in terms of range, we're gonna have to give points to the electric scooter again, where this electric scooter has a range of 160 kilometers, where the Talaria only has a range of about 80 kilometers. Both of these products are amazing commuters, but they do have their differences. This scooter gives you a more portable, versatile, and fast feel, where the Talaria gives you a more off-road, dirt bike look. Come on down to Smartwheel, because we got both of these in stock.